done. You want to be here to stay. It's a one-of-a-kind fantasy workshop where you'll quite simply be amazed.
Trapped, my friend, I am trapped. Trapped in a nap. Trapped by the shadows that lurk behind your back. Can you see my face is changing by the moment? The darkness consumes the light and tells you that it owns it. Make me whole, make me whole, make me whole. Saying a prayer for daylight, beg a doomsday that's to save lives. Over and over the same lines, article don't change with the dateline. Running and gunning, but we're far from done, and the fantasy's broken and choking the fun out of every moment. Now all the components are torn into but need to be one. No more sun, hit the light. Wish you may, wish you might sun the moon. A circuit's of mentally unstable circuits. I'm hurting, so I'm begging you. Make me whole, make me whole, make me whole. Is the moon. Heal my soul, heal my soul, heal my soul. I doubt I have very long if you don't unify me soon. There's a beast inside, it feasts upon the night. Help me to make it right and shine your vibrant light. There's a beast inside, it feasts upon the night. Help me to make it right and shine your vibrant light. Make me whole, make me whole, make me whole.
Night terrors find you in the dark. I'll separate your body parts. Party with the lights out, I'll be your surprise now. I said we'll have the deadliest time. Cruise, I'll lose the manic. I need a mechanic, or else I'm gonna stop you tonight.
Don't look at me like you wanna do. Keep checking time, man, it's coming too. But top around, and it's overdue. Death is returning, a deja vu. Fun it is hiding inside the room. Slowly but surely I'm coming through. Coming through. Ooh, ooh. We're gonna get you. We're gonna an evil teddy bear.
Love me or hate me, try to get to safety, but I can find you there. Glad that you can stop by, I'll make it a fun time. Come on, I'm never coming solo. See, my friends are in the shadows. Nice try, close the door, but I'll find, yeah, a way of getting.
You see me like a monster. Every day you pass and stare. The cross I bear, it pulls me under. Tragedy, the scars and stains, it marks my face. I'm just another tale, an urban myth, some legend used to scare the kids. A ghost that roams the halls at night. How long till you see the child inside? The child inside. The child inside. The child. Like an outcast. Oh, you see all the years gone by that were unkind, and now the sprayed mask that's keeping me inside in chains scares you away. But in the blackest pit behind the eyes, their eyes still am. You're trapped tonight, a ghost that roams the halls at night, hoping that you'll see the child inside. The child inside. The child inside. The child. Here I stay, locked away, deep inside. Every night, here I stay, locked away, deep inside. Oh, I, the child. The child inside. 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 He was one of us testing games, but something happened that one day. He was still and his body didn't shake. Was he asleep or was he awake? Who are you talking to? And what is in your view? What have you been through? Jeremy, this isn't you. I'm logging these tapes because an abnormality happened in the game. Something that we couldn't see is watching you now.
and it's learning how to escape its world somehow. What is this thing? And what does it want from us, waving at me? Is it something I should trust? Guess I'll just play and test the game, hoping that it goes away. Does it seem so real? I made a deal to start and finish this ordeal. Something is wrong, and I hear a song. Something's where it can't belong. I won't be here long. It's attached itself to me, its motives are strong. It's made it so I cannot see. Collect all the tapes and come join me to Freddy's Fun Time Family.
Are you having fun? I know I am. I promise I'm not scary, even though I've got a big grin. Oh, it's your birthday. How old are you? How do you do? You want to see my friends? They're fantastic. Yahoo! We promise we don't fight. The only thing we like is cake. You rarely get a chance like this to say no. It's a big mistake. Oh, they're backstage. If you want to see them, come on through. There's lots of fun in Freddy's world. It's time for your big debut. Welcome to the back. Hey, sorry, it's pitch black. Let me get some lights on so we can get on track. This is Chica, then there's Bonnie, Foxy, and Freddy. Someone needs to fill his shoes so we can get ready. You're one of us now. You're gonna perform for lots of crowds, making music, bringing smiles with fun lights and sounds. Welcome to the family. Now listen very carefully. You're mine forever, and I'll never set you free. We're not monsters. We're not monsters. Hope we're not monsters too. You did just fine, and you won't die. The lies that we told you were true. We promise we're not monsters. We're not monsters. Hope we're not monsters too. You did just fine, and you won't die. The lies that we told you were true. We promise we're not monsters.
that it seems when you spend your nights deciphering your true enemies. It was my party, you see, but the feast became deceased, with your brothers throwing you into the jaws of the beast. Never safe, never sleep, not even in my own home. I'm alone, on my own, prone to pain unknown. My nightmares afraid me from remaining sane. These chains feel like I need surgery on the brain. Hell has spawned from the things that I loved, but I guess at this